Tired of juggling multiple apps and wish your WhatsApp marketing felt less like herding cats and more like a finely tuned symphony? Then stick around because in the next 90 seconds, we'll show you how to conduct that symphony by connecting Pabbly Connect to Aisensy. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account, and let's create a new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. Name it something descriptive, like Aisensy WhatsApp Automation, and then click Create. Now, let's choose our trigger app. This is the app that will start our automation. In this example, we'll use Webhook by Pabbly. Select Webhook by Pabbly as the trigger. Copy the Webhook URL provided by Pabbly Connect. You'll need this shortly. Next, head over to your Aisensy account. Navigate to the Integrations section. Usually found in the Settings or Profile menu, look for an option to add or configure a webhook. Paste the Pabbly Connect webhook URL we copied earlier into the Aisensy webhook URL field and save or update your settings. This tells Aisensy to send data to Pabbly Connect whenever the specified event occurs, like a new subscriber or message. Back in Pabbly Connect, with the webhook URL set up in Aisensy, click the Capture Webhook Response button. Then, trigger an event in Aisensy that should send data, like subscribing a contact. Pabbly Connect should now display the data received from Aisensy if the data is captured. Move forward if the data is not captured. Go back to your Aisensy account and check that the URL has been correctly entered. Alright, now for the action app. This is what we want to happen after the trigger. In the search bar, find and select Aisensy as the app to connect to. In the Choose an Action event dropdown, select what you want to automate, such as send WhatsApp message or add contact. Click Connect. Then add new connection. You will need your Aisensy API key. Return to your Aisensy account and in Settings, find your API key and paste this into the field in Pabbly Connect. Now you can map the information from Aisensy to the Aisensy fields. For example, map the contact number from the webhook to the phone number field. Do the same with any other required information such as message, text, and template IDs. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Save and Send Test Request to make sure everything is working correctly. Check your WhatsApp to confirm the test message has been sent successfully. If all tests pass, toggle the switch at the top of your workflow to on to activate your automation. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Pabbly Connect to Aisensy for WhatsApp.